I can't believe you covered me. Mind your own business next time, dickhead. I'm through owing anybody anything. No more debts for me. Once you're out of here, you and me are even, Steven!
I knew you were alive, Chainsaw! I just knew it! I'll bet your endeavor is completely meaningless! You won't find my heart, no matter where you slice! You can't kill me! Watch me!
He's a devil? This does not bode well. He's paying little mind to his blood loss. His chainsaws require blood to work, where they are trapped.
Is it just me, or are you even weaker than you were before? California politics! My chainsaws went in on me! I need more blood! You need to accept that you failed! And die! Your blood might be the grossest thing I've ever swallowed, but hearing your shrieks and seeing you bent all out of shape makes this shit as sweet as strawberry jam!
Know the kind of hunters a devil fears most?
Take this! There! It is done.
But this guy right here?
Dude, Eureka! Fountains of blood explode from you with every slice. I chug it like it's soda and I'm good as new. I could do this for fucking ever! With such a dope concept, that Nobel Prize is mine!
His screws aren't just loose. They fell out. He might really be able to kill that damn gun. Aki, you didn't die on me, did ya?
No, not yet. How long have we been stuck here anyway?
Since you got stabbed, it's been about 3 days, I think. It's all but over, so let's grab some drinks when we get out. For now, I'm gonna grab a little shut-eye.
It's really over?
I can't take any more pain.
This is my heart. Here go my weakness.
Hurry up and kill me.
What? You're quitting already? I was having fun splashing around this bloodbath like a kid in a pool!
We made it. And we're walking away with a piece of the gun devil. The sky's clear. It feels like I just took a giant shit or something. Floating on air with every step.
Easy. He's out.
I'd be wiped too if I fought for 3 days without sleep. They need a hospital stat, so we'll make sure that they both get to one. You two head back to the office and report what went down.